Hi Anna, here is the wardrobe. Let's start with what I've called concept 1. So I'm going to make that transparent. And so what I've got here is an Elfa storage tower. This is a 7-rung unit and it stands from here to here, not including the wheels, about 800 millimeters high. Now I need to know accurately this rail height from the floor. The shelf would be nice, but I definitely need the rail height to the floor. Okay, then we can work out whether this hanging drop is going to be a problem, because at the moment this is a complete guess, and you can see this shirt is interfering with the storage tower there. Now, taking the wheels off and just putting plain feet on will reduce the height, and you could reduce the height by a further 100 millimeters. So I think I can drop this at least 150 millimeters, but let's find out where that rail height sits. So let's now go to concept 2, which I think is probably what you were expecting me to show you. It's the gliding baskets. We can get those nice and close to the floor and a nice compact arrangement. Not a lot I can tell you about that. I still need to know this rail height. It will impact what we do here. Okay, let me know what you think.